Wednesday morning trading fam. All right, so we got really not much on deck for today. Tomorrow's really going to be the big day, right? That's the day everybody's anticipating. We got wholesale inventories today, gasoline stock, crude oil, and Fred Barkin's speech. But tomorrow is the day that everybody is waiting on. All right, so we did get this news. We did get that move higher that we were looking for, but now it's just kind of fading back to the downside. All right, so if this news comes out better than expected, we're looking to really shoot off to the upside, all right, and reclaim some lost territory eventually before the market sells off again if it gets out of touch with reality again, all right? Nothing in the economy is good. Everything is, in the dumps. Nothing's going to get better anytime soon, that's for sure. All right, but we're still, right, if we're looking at the higher time frame, we're still in an overall downtrend, right? This is just one of those slow, bouncy, crawling things, kind of back to the upside, all right? So today we do have our upside targets. Right now we are net short, not 100%. We were shorter a little bit earlier today, but we're making our way back down there. All right, so here's yesterday's close. So we do have this gap to fill to the upside. What am I anticipating today? Nothing but chop. We got a little wedge forming here. So we're just going to be playing that for now. We just came out of a range. All right. Remember, we're in the wider channel, the overall channel. So a few things we just want to keep on the radar. All right. Our specific areas that we're always watching. If you want to get a better idea of the game plan, you could join us live at 8:30, where we teach people how to become consistently profitable traders. And we are working on our boot camp, our 30-day boot camp that's going to help you get to a consistently profitable level and avoid the mistakes and learn how to truly read the markets and trade, okay? So here was our range from this morning. If you don't know how to trade a range, again, join us on Discord. We'll teach you all that. All right, the market only does two things. It ranges or channels, all right? So it will range and it will channel. It will range and it will channel. That's it. The market cannot do anything else at all. Zilch, zero, nada. Range and channel. That's it. All right? That's the only two things the market will ever do. All right, guys. So we have our targets to the upside. To the downside, I'm not really anticipating much. All right? Could we get a freak day and just break out to the upside or the downside? Absolutely we could, right? But with tomorrow's news up on deck, it's just going to be the same old chop that we've been used to for the last 2 months, right? The market's doing nothing, right? It's just going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. It doesn't know what it wants to do or where it wants to go. We were climbing since Friday, all right? Friday, and then Monday and Tuesday, we were climbing, slowly grinding to the upside. But now we kind of broke that channel and that trend, and now we're, pulling back a little bit. So we just got to, stay with the market, right? See what the market does. Identify your areas to trade, all right? Identify your areas to trade, all right? And catch those trends. Identify your areas to trade and catch those trends, all right? Trading is not complicated when you know what you're looking for. You may be wondering why our RSI is blacked out in the middle and our Bollinger Band indicator is blacked out in the middle. All right? Again, join us on Discord. Find out. This is a way we're helping beginner traders learn how to use these tools correctly. And we don't have any other tools. We use the relative strength, the Bollinger Band indicator, the volume weighted average price, the 200, and the 20 period moving average. That's it. All these lines on our charts are for trading purposes only. Once our group is trained, we'll no longer have these on our charts. All right, guys. So, again, it's just choppiness, but we have broken out of that slow kind of grinding up for the last few days. All right. We broke out of the range to the downside. We're getting that 1-2 reversal pattern. All right, we do have this gap to fill above us. We could fill that surely before we get to the open today, right? I'm going to go ahead and buy that right there for a quick little scalp. I love when I see stuff like that, right? We get this wall on the bottom, but we're getting that divergence. And then they always try and do something like that. But that's all right. We got plenty of ammunition. We'll put another buy order in right down here. And then we'll move that take profit right up there. And move this just below this high. But anyhow, that's the game plan today, guys. You know, we're just expecting that choppy market with what we got tomorrow. Okay? So there's really not much on deck that we're anticipating for today. Again, we're just going to be training. So 11,375. Let's go look over here. Yeah, right down here. Put another buy. I'm going to buy 3. Let it come right to us there. Let's see if we get filled on that. We're looking for this to come right now, right back to our trend, right? That's what we're doing right now. We're playing that channel. But it might not make it right back down there. But anyhow, join us live 8:30 today, Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 9:30. We'll see you there. Again, we're expecting that choppiness all morning today. But we'll have a great day either way. We profit every single day. See you on Discord, guys. Have a great one. Remember, we got that economic news tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day the market's waiting for. All right, guys. I will